Hi everyone, welcome to the session of the coding and programming. Let us have a quick introduction of the coding and programming. Although it looks as the same, but what makes such difference between these two topics, coding and programming? Let's start our session with starting off by taking a quick understanding what is coding, and later we'll check out the introduction to the programming actually is, and later we'll dive into a couple of points where we'll be analyzing and assessing the differences between coding and programming, and by the end of the session we'll sure you will have the complete clarity about the topic. Well guys, without any further ado, let's begin with the class. What is mean by coding? Here I have mentioned
What is
Well, I have mentioned a sentence of the coding is an art of conversing with a machine and have it talk back to you. The machine and have stand with the coding because fact. Think about a fact here. It is a coding conversing with the machine to and have it talk back to you. And I believe stand with the code because at the end of the day, whenever you talk about coding, right? So I consider coding as an art where you talk to a machine, you talk to your computer, and the computer understands that and talks back to you. See, this is a beautiful literal in a way you know. Let's think about a very simple example of Python programming, right? I am sure all the programmers out there and the developers watching the video and the students, the Hello World program is the most common, right? So when we type a program actual code in a Python, print hello world. And then as soon as you hit the enter button, the machine understands and that it print backs to you that the conversation happens, and it's a beautiful thing in the world of computing. See, when you were we talk to a coding, one very important thing is that it's always a high level language. You taking to the machine to the mid level to the high level languages such as Python, C, C++, C Sharp, Java, where you all know the syntax. Either it's a simple, either it's a complex, but it's native English language, right? So if you are trained on this syntaxes, it means that you can have a ability to understand the syntax and use it in a machine language. It's very simple, but one very important thing when you talk about coding, it is coding, not the solution is a key part of the coding. You will see why as soon as we start the programming, and then we'll talk about the prototyping, right? See, prototyping is when you have an idea and you want to have an initial product in your brain or some projects which you make. At the end of the day, you will have to complete the coding as amazing part to the start of the starting and the ending, taking an idea into the prototype. But 90 it is difficult, but 99% of the cases in any field to beat artificial intelligence such as coding. Uh, let's have an example of some professionals who use coding as gamers, doctors, architects, photographers. Here the gamers who develop the gamings, they have to write some hundreds of lines of codes, which is very useful to develop a game at the end of the day. uh, Here like a piece of computer, if you want to talk to the programming, or if you want to build an access report, or you have to embed the program or code into a particular device such as microcontroller, microprocessor, or a robot, or even in a platform where you are working, like web development, like hacking, you need to embed a code in that device. Finally, everything that powered by electricity requires a code in one way or another way. If you talk to the Alexa or Siri, they talk back to you. If you say hi, okay Google, or hello Siri, they will reply you as yes. As the complete world of coding, of the programming, as you all know, the computer science students uh, deals with the complete language with the ones and zeros. It is called as binary level language, where the middleman and a middle person sitting there and converts the one zeros and the English language what you are typing here as a coding, it converts and like decodes and understands the computer in a 1-0 language. All games will play is all games we play, and some of the programs which we run is complete conversation between the coding and encoding and decoding. If the first step we are going to code some language, it decodes and understands to the machines, and again the machine returns back to a statement or a given to the output. It again codes back in a binary level language which we can't understand. So here encoding comes place into the program, where encoding converts the level of language into the English and comes back as a code or a output. Let's take as an example of the doctors. At the beginning of the stage of the virus which is happening, the doctors have assembled some set of algorithms which decides something is going different in the city of Wuhan. Uh, Before knowing this information, the WHO also don't know what the virus is, virus which is spreading in the world. As the doctors have known by the help of the programming. And again, the WHO means World Health Organization represents the main information about the virus. And even the architects, not only architects, even the mechanical engineerings and the designer of the various platforms. These platforms and the designers and the architects design the plan in a 2D structure, like how much length and how much breadth, height. They need to develop the design in the paper. By using this programming, like CAD softwares, CATIA, and some of the programming softwares which help us like a logical working. They design in a 3D manner and develops a like a video which helps all of us to understand it in better way. If someone comes to you and shows the plan in a paper, you can't even understand. If you have a knowledge of the programming, I mean, uh, if you have knowledge of the design, you will let you know. If an illiterate person who is not known of the design, he can't understand. So it's better way to get an architect in a 3D design pattern so that it looks like a virtual design of the main product which you are going to build. And the photographers, many of the photographers use their applications like Photoshop, um, and some other high level editing apps. Here, while the photographers apply the filters, the filter is also a program based. By this, you all have a complete knowledge what I mean to explain what is meant by coding. Here, next one is programming. Here, programming involves coding and a lot of other things that finish a project. What do you understand by this one? See, programming involves coding and lot of other things as well. I will try Programming is end-to-end solution for the programming. Coding is where you know the person understands the syntax and has the ability to convert a high level coding into a low piece of code and talk to the machine in general, but does not solve the problem. No, it's like a translator, right? You know, a coder is basically translator who knows the syntax of a programming language that he or she working with the program. In other hand, he or she working with a program, on the other hand, can do this and has the ability to do a lot of other things, as well as, you know, lot of tools required to final solution solve a problem. Like a end-to-end solution of the problem statement of course involves data handling, data processing, and data analysis, and a lot of other things. As well as the world of program came into a picture because well, we have problems that need solution, and we realize that the world of high competitive power through computers and machines can be leveraged to do this once in a picture. Coder sat at the beginning, and I can convert this piece of code to solve the problem a halfway, or let's say one third of the solution. Of a programmer comes into picture and says the thanks for the code. Well, let's solve the problem by, handling of the data processing, it working with the seeing that the problem is solved. As we see that many of the 10 among the programming, as here we are seeing that end-to-end solution for the problem statement, providing complementary methods. Here complementary methods means in a Google or what we search here, or the members who have already worked in it have a different types of solutions. If we think there are 10 solutions for the same problem, the company or the client who looks for the 11th solution which may works in a better manner. So coming to the next topic, what is programming and coding versus programming? Straight into the first point, there is a definition. This is the definition of it. Coding, ID, the structured approach of the translating natural language into computer understandable commands through an intermediate language. Where you all know the computer will directly not understand high level language. It will have something called interpreter. It will have a compiler, all of this. Enters the machine understand us later. The output gives in understand directly and converted back into the high level language. Whereas understand it and brings out programming. Now programming, when we talk about it, the entire process of developing end-to-end solution or a software for a problem or requirement. If we want, there is a requirement of the program which solves the problem from starting point to the end point without any difficulties or some errors in it. Well, in the second part, it is the end goal. The end goal of the coding ensures to provide a simple solution for overall problem at the hand. It happens to trying to provide a simple solution or a part of solution to the entire problem that exists. But programming is not the case. It's just a simple solution or a part of solution, but it's a complete package where know we get the problem statement, we analyze it, and we think the data is required to solve the problem, and we refer to the past solutions, how they have solved, and verify that the solution is actually working. And then the solution comes into the output as a manner. And the third one is way of approach. The way of approach of a coding involves little to no preparation and most based on a prototype approach involving trial and error method. Talking about the production environment, here we need a structured approach. We need a high attention to detail and a trial and error method. There is a good chance it will not work in many cases. I mean, in some cases, like champion trial and error method of the programming, it will work in that manner. And here, while comes to the programming requires a structured approach, production plan, and high amount of attention to detail, amount of program. And the last one uh, is the experience. Coding requires basic and or get intermediate knowledge of a program, language, and its working. While other hand, programming involves using complex techniques, implementing algorithms, data processing, and management. Here you all can understand it in a simple manner. And the last one is the machine interaction, sorry. Coding can be started by making use of simple text editor to compete with the required tasks. The simple text editors may be some notepads like command prompts. We can use that one. But a programming requires multiple tools, code generators, syntax helpers, test frameworks, and third-party libraries. It has a different third-party libraries, such as we have to link the files. By combining all files, we can get a complete solution of the program, or else we can't get. At the end of the session, let's have why should you choose coding or programming? Straightforward, the answer is very difficult because it depends on what you want to do or what you want to incline towards a developing software by writing a lot of lines of code and understanding that it will be a huge part in a problem solution. You know, do you want to write a code and make sure a tackle a problem, solve a problem completely? It's very elegant and an effective way because it's not just a solving about a problem. It's about a providing documentation. It's about a solving in a best way. It's understanding that your problem has been a solution which works correctly as is supposed to, and a lot of more depending on your interest. Whereas you can either pick up coding or you can pick up either picking a programming well. This is very end of the quick comparison between the coding and programming. Hope this session is very informative and you have all the questions which you really want to ask. You can ask in a description or in a comment box, or if you hesitate to comment in it, you can have a Telegram link in it. You can join the session and you can have what you all want to learn. Thank you.